Alright you guys, so I'm about to clean my dish rags really quick with some, where's the 409 spray? Look at all of these cleaning supplies that I have. I go ham in the store when it comes to cleaning. Like, I love to clean, so I keep all of the good stuff right here. What? I'm trying to do a video and you're talking about s'mores or chocolate chunk.
Which flavor?
I don't like s'mores, so I'm gonna say chocolate chunk. Anyways, let me get back to this. So I'm just gonna use my 409 multi-surface cleaner. I'm just gonna use this to clean my dish rags. All right, so we're just gonna spray it right on top of the rags and let that sit for a little bit. I'm almost done though. Got the silverware, a couple of pans, and these cups to do, then I will be finished. What's your method of doing dishes? I do my plates first, then the bowls, then the cups, and then the silverwares, and then I do all of the pots and pans and stuff like that because I don't like my dishwater being greasy, so the big stuff is always last when I do the dishes. Well, yeah, probably that I Like to Move It song. I don't know about the one that's...
No, ding, ding, that one. Well, they probably could have made it, but nevertheless.
They do got a song called I Like to Move It, Move It. Well, I don't know if that's the name.